Hi you guys, it's Pepsi coming back to you with another freaking video. And today I will be showing you how I make my Rose Dior oil. And for those that don't know what my Rose Dior oil is, it is an oil that you apply to your face, which helps with hyperpigmentation, evening out your skin tone, fighting off acne, lightening dark spots, and so much more. It is very big on my website, so if y'all want to go check that out, it's www.embraceheritage.com. Let's get into this video. Sunflower oil is a great oil. It's like the #1 oil in my book. It helps with just about everything. I've loved this oil, so this is the oil that I added first into my bowl. The second ingredient I add is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is very beneficial for the skin. It helps lighten dark spots, even out your skin tone, and reduce puffiness. The one thing that I would like to say about almond oil is if you have a nut allergy, I would not suggest you buy this oil or use this oil in any skincare product. The third oil is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is very beneficial because it also helps lighten scars and tighten pores and all that good stuff. So right here, I'm just going to add a tablespoon of grapeseed oil into my bowl. Okay, you guys, the next oil I use is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very expensive, you guys. I think I paid like $15 for this oil, and I'm ran out already. But I really do love jojoba oil. It is very moisturizing to the skin, and it has antibacterial properties, which is great if you have acne, sores, or whatever. But this is the reason why I add jojoba oil into my Rose Dior oil. The next oil I use is rose hip oil. Honey, rose hip oil is very great for everything, just about everything. It helps boost collagen. It helps hyperpigmentation, even at your skin tone, lighten dark spots, and so much more. I just love this oil. This oil gives you a glow. Like, it really brings out your natural glow, honey. I really love it. So I added into my Rose Dior oil, y'all. I love this oil. Every oil that I use, I really do love, y'all. Okay, y'all, for my next 4 ingredients, I will have to wait to add it into my mix because you want your oil to be cool when you add in certain ingredients into it. So I will be right back after my oil has cooled down. Okay, y'all, so the oil cooled down, and now it's time to add my next 4 ingredients. Now, 2 of the 4 is essential oils. I decided to use 2 essential oils into my products because you really need to add something in your facial oil that's going to help fight off acne. And so I chose my 2 favorite essential oils. You can use whatever essential oils you like to use, but these is my 2 favorites, and so I decided to add it into my oil mix. The next thing I'm going to add is licorice root. Now, we may not know what licorice root is, but you will find licorice root in a lot of skincare products that states that it's going to help, you know, lighten dark spots. Licorice oil will speed up the process of lightening your dark spots and evening out your skin tone. Just to let y'all know, I did wash my hands. I wash my hands often throughout, you know, my process of making my products because I do not use gloves. But right here is me mixing my oils together to get them well mixed, okay? And after this is done, I will be showing y'all how I fill my bottles and everything else. So now at this point, all I'm going to do is take my syringe, suck up some oil, and squeeze it into the bottles. And my bottles is already pre-filled with the flowers of my choice. And yeah, so this is the easiest way to fill my bottles. If you made it this far, please continue to watch the whole video to the end, because at the end I will be showing you how I use all my products. So now all I'm going to do is take my caps and screw them down to the bottom of the jar. And I'm going to do that with the other 2 bottles. My packaging is so cute. I can't stop saying it, but it is really cute. I just love the gold and the white. Even the brown is okay, but it's the tops for me. But anyways, this is how my oil looks. I probably add in like a video like in the light to show y'all what they look like. It's very cute to me. It's very cute. But at this time, you want to take a wipe and wipe all your containers down. Well, this is what I do at this time, is wipe all my containers down just to like clean off, just to disinfect it a second time around, you know what I mean? So you have to do that. If y'all not doing this step, I don't know what y'all doing. But make sure your area is just cleaned and everything else, okay? So you won't get no complaining from no one. Now it's time to add my labels. Don't talk about my labels because I'm redoing them, okay? I'm redoing my labels sometime this week. But all you want to do, well, all I'm going to do is just take my labels and place them on the outside of the jar. And like all my ingredients is up on my jar, y'all. It is very important to list your ingredients. Please list your ingredients. Y'all may think that somebody can copy what you do, but they can't, because measurements is very important. That's why I did not show you my measurements in this video, because I didn't want y'all to copy off what I do. Okay, y'all can use the ingredients all y'all want, but do you have the right measurements? Okay, do you have the right measurements? But anyways, look at my jar, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really do. Don't forget that today is the last day. Y'all have 2 more hours to enter into this giveaway. All you have to do is go to www.embraceheritage.com, enter the giveaway, and right now the giveaway is up to $48, y'all. $48 I will be giving away, and it will become more if y'all go place an order, okay, y'all? But anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all learned something from this video, because I dropped a lot of insight, okay, on some of these ingredients. But anyways, I hope your day goes good. I hope you manifest what you want, and continue to support me, even though it's a like, a share, watch views, or whatever. Thank y'all for all y'all support, and peace out until next time.